This is a 20 kVA longitudinal seam welding machine for welding the steel tips. Now we'll show you the parts. This is the air pressure regulator with lubricator. Connect the air supply over here at the blue pipe. Then you can adjust the pressure. Say keep about 55 psi pressure. On the right side there is a lubricator. Then we have a controller. We can put it on by this switch and set the settings depending upon the thickness of the tape to be welded as per the data given in the manual. So adjust the squeeze time 35 and the weld time say about 2 and the pull time say about 1. Then hold time say about 10-12 cycles. Then set for the welding, adjust the current, select the switch pot, that's 38% for 0.7 mm thick tips. This is the timer direct switch, you can put it on the timer side, and there's the no weld switch. While welding, you can put it on the weld side and start welding. This over here is the air pressure cylinder. Then we have the seam welding wheels. They are made from chromium copper alloy. Then this side we have the EMDC motor for running the wheels. Then we have the speed control for the motor that you can switch on and adjust the speeds say up to 20. Then you can cut the pieces at 45 degrees or 90 degrees, whatever you want. Clean the pieces of rust, oil, dirt or any oxidation, and then you can start seam welding by depressing this foot switch, keeping the two pieces in between the wheels. First we'll show you how to weld. Show you the welding. First you can give spots two places like that. Then you can keep on welding by depressing the foot switch like this. See, this is how it is welded. Welding 0.33 mm or 0.337 mm, you can bring down the pot to say about 28 to 30%, and then you can start welding by giving the two spots first like this. Then you can start seam welding. .5 mm thick